product this spring would have to be the SPC click together vinyl planking. I like it because it's super easy to install and it's 100% waterproof. My favorite grilled cheese is going to have to be white bread with cheddar cheese with bacon in the middle.
One of my favorite products right now is really patterned tiles. A lot of people like them for small bathrooms or neat little laundry room areas, stuff like this one right here, for example. We just got these samples in for a customer the other day to show them a little bit more of a design. And my favorite grilled cheese is a sourdough with the Kraft shredded cheese.
My favorite product selling this spring is this War product. It's an LVP. I like it because it has a nice little metallic finish in it that shines in the light. So it's pretty cool. And my favorite grilled cheese is the classic, just white bread and Kraft single in the middle.